Good evening, student. Today I am going to discuss about the new topic, the trigonometry ratios of some specific angles. 0 and 90 already deleted from your syllabus, so don't read that angles. 0 and 90. Ratio of some specific angles. So number one is 0 and 90 degree deleted from your syllabus. Only read 30 degree and 60 degree. Third one is your 45 degree. These two you have to discuss now. So first, the ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. For this, draw a equilateral triangle ABC. This is your 60 degree. This is your 60 degree. Now, draw a perpendicular here. It is your 90. So it is your 30 degree. It is your 30 degree. Okay. Now you take all sides are equal, that is 2a, it is also 2a, it is also 2a. So AB, BC, AC, 2a. Here the perpendicular AD. So AD perpendicular to BC. So BD equal to CD, that is your A. It means it is your A. For 30 degree, first one for 30 degree. In right angle triangle, ABD AD is equal to your AB square minus BD square. AD is equal to 2A whole square, it is A whole square. 4A square minus A square, 3A square root over root 3A. So this side is now root 3A. So AD is equal to root 3A. So first you find out sin 30 degree. Sin 30 perpendicular by the hypotenuse. It means BD by AB. BD is your A, it is 2A. Half. Sin 30 degree your half. Similarly, offset 30. AB by BD. 2A by A. That is your 2. Similarly, cos 30, B by H, B by H. B is your AD by AB. Root 3A by 2A. That is root 3 by 2. sec 30, it is 2 by root 3. Similarly, for other ratios, tan 30. Tan 30 is your P by B. P by B. It means BD by AD. BD is your A. It is root 3A. This is equal to 1 by root 3. Cot 30. Reciprocal of tan. AD by BD. Root 3A by A. Root 3. So this is all about the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree. Similarly, for 60 degree, again in triangle ABD, sin 60, this is your base, it is hypotenuse, it is a perpendicular, sin 60, AD by AB, root 3A by 2A, cancelling this value, root 3 by 2, it is sin 60 value. Cosec 60, AB by AD, 2A by root 3A, 2 by root 3. Cos 60, B by H, A by 2A, 1 by 2. Sec 60, 2A by A, 2. Now tan 60 perpendicular by base. It means your AD by BD, AD is your root 3A by A, root 3. Then your cot 60, BD by AD, A by A, 1 by root 3. So this is all about 30 degree and 60 degree. Now for your 45 degree or 45 degree. For 45 degree, draw a isosceles right angle triangle. It is your A, B, C, right angle at B. So in right angle triangle ABC, your AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. Put here A square plus A square. This is your 2A square, so 2A. So 2A. It is a isosceles right angle triangle. Now, if it is 90 degree, then it must be a 45 degree and 45 degree. To calculate the angle of different trigonometric ratios, sin 45, it is your P by H, SC by BC by SC, A by root 2A, 1 by root 2. Cosec 45, reciprocal of sin, BC. Root 2 by A. It is your root 2. Similarly, your cos 45 B by H means AB by AC. A by root 2A. The same value for sin and cos. Sec 45 AC by AB. Root 2A by A. Root 2. For tan 45 PIB. BC by AB. A by 1. Now for cot 45. AB by BC. A by A is also 1. So it is all about the angles of some trigonometric ratios. Now come to table. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Theta. Sin theta 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. It is your root 3 by 2, 1. Cosec theta 1 by 0 infinite. It is 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. Now cos theta. It is 1. It is your root 3 by 2. Sine theta value of 60 of sine. It is 1 by root 2. It is your half. It is your 0. Sec theta 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, not defined. It is not defined. Not defined. Tan theta sin by cos 0, 1 by root 3, sin by cos, it is 1, it is root 3, it is 1 by your 0. This is not defined. Not defined. Because 1 by 0. Cot theta not defined. It is root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, it is 0. So this is a table of the angle of different T ratios. Some examples based on angle. Example 1, evaluate the following questions. That is your sin 60, cos 30, cos 60, sin 30. Sin 60 you know that is root 3 by 2, cos 30 that is root 3 by 2, cos 60 half and sin 60 also half. Root 3 into root 3 that is 3, 4, it is 1 by 4. So 4 by 4 it is your 1. So the value of this is 1. Take other example based on angle. Sin 30, cos 60, 1 by sin 30 plus cos 60. What is the answer? So put sin 30 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2. It is your 2, 1 plus 1. It is 2. So LCM is your 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 by 2 divided by 4 by 2. It is 1, it is 2, it is 1 by 2. So the value of these questions is 1 by 2. 30 half, cos 60 also half, and 30 half, cos 60 also half. So by taking LCM, that is your 2 plus 1 plus 1. That is 4 by 2, 2, 2 by 2, 1. Okay. Take another example. 2 sin 3 theta is equal to root 3. Find theta. Find the value of theta. Example number 3. So how to determine the value of theta? Look here. Sin 3 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Now you determine the root 3 by 2 value of sine in which angle that is? That is your sine 60 degree. 3 theta is equal to 60. So theta is equal to 60 by 3, 20 degree. In this way, you have to practice more problems to determine the value of theta. Take another example based on angle. Sin A plus B is equal to 1 and cos A minus B is equal to root 3 by 2. Find the angle A and B. The two different equations. So solve it now. A plus B is equal to 1. You know that sin 90 degree is equal to 1. So in place of 1, write down sin 90 degree. A plus B is equal to 90. Equation 1. Now take these equations. Cos A minus B is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30, you write down cos 30 degree. So now A minus B is equal to 30. Equation 2. Solving these two equations to find the value of A and B. A plus B 90, A minus B here 30 degree. Heading equation 1 and 2. Heading equation 1 and 2. So A plus B plus A minus B 90 plus 30. Cancelling B. 2A is equal to 120. A is equal to 120 by 2, 60 degree. So A is equal to 60. Now put the value of A is equal to 60 degree. Any of the equation 1 or 2. So look here, A 60 plus B 90 degree. So B is equal to 90 minus 60 degree, that is your 30 degree. So it is your A value, it is your B value. So in this way, you have to practice more problem at home. If any doubt, you ask me tomorrow at 9 a.m.